command conference ukol dito?
Not necessarily. Hindi ko malaman kung dumaan man kami kanina. Kunti mo lang na ako. Siguro lagyan ko lang ng cap. Yung butas. Taal na yan. Raise the alert on the level that it should. Now it's just a rumbling and it's spewing. I don't know if it's really the artist. Apektado daw tayo. But it's not really a grave concern for us at this time. Maybe it will degenerate into something bad. By that time, we will know. Andiyan na lahat, naka-posisyon na yung yung mga kaya ng DSWD, si General Bautista Ciroli, nilagay ko yan dyan because methodical yung niya. Mayroon na siyang advance sa mga warehouse for mga sa tulong. Pagka pumutok yan dahil, mayroon na doon, naka-station na yung mga tulong. It could get worse, but I said there will be instant gratification because there are workers on the ground ready.